Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 13 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are frequently used sentences. As we have already studied about frequently used sentences in previous sessions also, where we have learned the daily basis sentences that we use frequently in our language, in our conversations. So, a few more sentences we are going to learn here in this session so that you can converse properly with whomsoever you are talking. So, you can converse properly because these are the sentences that we use very commonly, very often. So, let us start with the first sentence here. Don't do this in future. That means this is a command that you often say that never do this in future or don't do this in future. That means भविष्य में ऐसा मत करो. That means don't do whatever you have done. Don't do this in future. That means भविष्य, that means future. So this, that means ऐसा, whatever you have done. मत करो, that means don't do. So in, that means may. So in future, don't do this. So in Hindi we say future as भविष्य. भविष्य में ऐसा मत करो. That means you don't have to repeat this thing in future. So this is a order or a request. You can say that don't do this in future. समय का पालन करो. That means be punctual. Punctual, you know, the person who understands the importance of time and do everything on time. Don't waste time and always be on time for whatsoever work he is there. So punctuality, be punctual. So always remember to be punctual. And in Hindi we say समय का पालन करो. समय is time. Palan, so follow the time properly. So be punctual. Give up your bad habits. So maybe as an elder brother or elder person, you are making the younger people understand that you need to give up your bad habits. Bad habits are खराब आदतें. Or we often follow bad things or bad habits in our life. So that means खराब आदतें. छोड़ दो. That means give up. So खराब आदतें छोड़ दो. That means give up your bad habits. So it means that you never follow bad habits. That means खराब आदतें छोड़ दो. That means give up. So this is a kind of warning or request by an elder person to a younger one that always you have to follow good habits and give up all your bad habits. दांतों को ब्रश कर लो. That means brush your teeth. This often said by parents to children that brush your teeth properly. Teeth are what? दांत. दांतों को ब्रश कर लो. Brush, you know, brushing teeth. So दांतों को ब्रश कर लो. So this is a request or command by a parent or somebody elder that just brush your teeth properly. Brushing is rubbing teeth, as you know. Teeth are what? दांत. So दांतों को ब्रश कर लो. Again, a very commonly used sentence. Don't be silly. If somebody is behaving in a silly manner or nonsensible, so sometimes you say don't be silly. That means मूर्ख मत बनो. मूर्ख is what? Silly. मत बनो, that means don't be silly. Mind your own business. That means तुम अपने कार्य में ध्यान दो. कार्य is what? Business here. So your work. Mind your own business. That means ध्यान दो. ध्यान देना is minding. So mind your own business. That means कार्य, your work. ध्यान देना, that means mind. That means do it properly and just mind your own work and don't come in others' work. Don't indulge in others' work. Don't involve in others and just mind your own business. तुम अपने कार्य में ध्यान दो. I am proud of you. मुझे आप पर गर्व है. गर्व is what? Proud. मुझे आप पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. Proud is what? Garv. Sometimes with your children or sometimes student, for a student, sometimes teacher says that I am proud of you, that he has done such a wonderful job. So teacher sometimes says that I am proud of you, or parents sometimes says that I am proud of you, that you have done such a wonderful job. So मुझे आप पर गर्व है. That means I am proud of you. Don't worry about me. That means मेरी चिंता ना करो. Worry is what? चिंता. Don't worry about me. That means मेरी चिंता ना करो. चिंता is worry. So don't worry about the different things. Don't worry about different things. मेरी चिंता ना करो. That means do not worry about the things about me. So it's kind of warning, or it's a kind of request that don't worry about this matter. Again, don't hesitate. Sometimes the person who is hesitating, we sometimes says don't hesitate. That means हिचकिचाओ नहीं. हिचकिचाना is what? Hesitation. So don't hesitate. That means हिचकिचाओ नहीं. Hesitation is what? हिचकिचाना. हम अपनी संवेदना प्रकट करते हैं. That means we offer our condolences. Condolences is संवेदना. Maybe on somebody's death, somebody's bad things. We offer condolences. That means हम अपनी संवेदना प्रकट करते हैं. प्रकट करना is offering. संवेदना is condolence. So we offer our condolences. Why do you contradict me? Contradiction is काटना. That means what I am saying, you always go against that. That is contradiction. So आप मेरी बात को क्यों काटते हैं? Why do you contradict me? Contradiction is काटना. मेरी बात, that means whatever I say, whatever I talk. Why do you contradict? किसका दोष है? Who is to blame? दोष is what? Blame. So किसका दोष है? Who is to blame? Blaming is sometimes who has done the blunder or some wrong thing. That person is to be blamed. So you are asking who is to blame? That means who has done that blunder, who has created that problem. So किसका दोष है? That means who is to blame. क्या मैंने आपको चोट पहुंचाई है? दैट मीन्स हैव आई हर्ट यू? हैव आई गिवन यू दैट प्रॉब्लम? सो हैव आई हर्ट यू? क्या मैंने आपको चोट पहुंचाई है? हैव आई हर्ट यू? सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. Maybe you have done something wrong with somebody. So you are just confirming that have I given you that problem? Have I hurt you? क्या मैंने आपको चोट पहुंचाई है? यह मेरा कसूर नहीं था. It was not my fault. Fault is what? कसूर. So it was not my fault. I have not done that. So it was not my fault. यह मेरा कसूर नहीं था. उसने नाक में दम कर रखा है. He is a nuisance. That means he has created problem. He always creates a problem. नाक में दम करना, that means irritating somebody or creating problem for somebody. So उसने नाक में दम कर रखा है. That means he is a nuisance. Nuisance is what? नाक में दम करना. मुझे उससे चिढ़ आती है. He irritates me. Irritating is चिढ़. मुझे उससे चिढ़ आती है. चिढ़ाना is what? Irritating. I don't find comfortable in his company. I feel really bad. चिढ़ाना is feeling irritated. So मुझे उससे चिढ़ आती है. तुम कितने अच्छे हो. You are so nice. That means तुम कितने अच्छे हो. अच्छे होना is nice. So you are so nice. As you like. That means जैसी आपकी मर्जी. That means as you like. मर्जी is what? Liking. So as you like. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. For complimenting sometimes we say you are so nice. Nice means अच्छा. So तुम कितने अच्छे हो. You are so nice. As you like. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. आपका कहना ठीक है. That means you are right. That means whatever you have done, it's right. Whatever you are saying, it's right. So one must say that you are right. आपका कहना ठीक है. ठीक means right. So आपका कहना ठीक है. You are right. If you agree with somebody's talkings or whatever he's talking about, you agree with that, you say I agree with you. That means I don't contradict your thoughts. I totally agree with your thoughts. That means मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. Agree is what? सहमत. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. If same kind of sentence, sometimes we say that in all your problems I am with you. That means I always support you in all your doings, in all your problems, in all aspects of life. Sometimes we say I am with you. That means मैं आपके साथ हूँ. That means I am with you. That is all for this session, where you have learnt about frequently used sentences that we use very often, very commonly in our day-to-day life. I am with you, you are so nice, तुम कितने अच्छे हो, I agree with you, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. Daily basis sentences that we often do or say while having a conversation with somebody. So these are the basic sentences that we use every day. You can learn them better again and again only after revising with their sounds and all. So you have to learn their spellings, you have to learn the sounds, you have to learn the intonations, you have to learn their pronunciation. You can do that when you are going to repeat them again and again and learn them better with these sentences. That is all for this session where you have studied about frequently used sentences. We are going to learn many more things in the next few sessions. So learn Hindi and try to converse Hindi with your friends. To make a practice, you can have conversation with your friends. That is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.